Hello, how do you do your daily chart analysis for swing trading of upward large cap stocks if you are using long option long swing trading strategy? We are going to analyze two stocks in this video, and the first one is NDAQ. You'll open your daily chart. You use your daily chart to do your swing trading chart analysis, and you can use maximum daily chart, which we have now, or 1 year daily chart. But I like maximum daily chart for long option long swing trading strategy so that we can have a big picture of the chart. And today is March 18, 2025, before the market open. So we are going to analyze the stock to see how they performed yesterday, March 17, 2025. This particular stock went up yesterday. The price is green bar here, and the closing price is highlighted in green. The green bar means the closing price at the end of the day was higher than the opening price in the morning. And a red bar means the closing price at the end of the day is lower than the price in the morning when the market's open. The price dropped that day. But a green bar, the price went up that day. In addition to seeing how the price performed while the market was open, because you'll do your chart analysis at the end of the day after the market closed or early in the morning before the market's open, we'll compare where the price is to the support line or the trend lines that we like to buy the stock at next time. And those support line or uptrend line pass by the lows of the chart and cross more than 1 year time frame. The x-axis has the dates, and those dotted line are years, and you have your price on the y-axis from 0 up. So this particular stock is far from the trend line. It is not down there yet for us to buy. Therefore, we will move to the next one. So the next one we are going to analyze is NVDA, and NVDA is highlighted on our watch list because we bought it already. So the next time we will buy it will be on those trend lines that we color in purple, but for now the price is far from it, and yesterday the price went down. We have a red bar. We bought it. We traded using short option long swing trading strategy to buy it in 2024. Take that out of there. And we bought it again. Like for instance, we bought it. The bar, the x-axis will show you the date when I put my mouse on that. So we bought it on this price bar, and we sold it the next day on this price bar. It pulled back to the trend line. When it started going up, we bought it again. It went up, it pulled back, went up. I don't know what I was thinking. We didn't sell it. It pulled back, went up, pulled back, went up, pulled back, it started going up. So yesterday it was a pullback as well, small one. But yes, we got stuck in it for not selling it. After it went up, and we will keep it in our portfolio until it becomes positive again. But in the meantime, we'll continue observing it. And that is how you do your daily chart analysis of your stocks to compare, to see how they perform during the day when the market was open compare them to where you want to buy. And if it pull back to where you want to buy, and start going up, making higher lows, maybe 2 or so, you can buy at the first or second green bar that follow a pullback. So you just want to wait to see some higher lows to make sure it's not going down, and you buy some, and you'll continue doing your daily chart analysis of them, comparing where the price is, where you bought it, to where you want to exit. For upward large cap stocks, they reach new high frequently. Therefore, you could target the next new high to be your exit. But before you buy at the trend line, you can compare how the price fluctuates around that trend line before, to see if it remain around that trend line for a while, or touch base with it and start going up from there. And before you sell it, you can compare the previous highs area to see if the price dropped after reaching a new high, or if it made multiple highs there before pulling back. And those will help you make your decision whether you should just sell it at the first new high, or if you should remain in it, even if it pull back slightly, because you know it's going to continue going back, making more new highs, and you can lock in some. After a few, then you can sell it to lock in the profit. But it's good to compare what is going on to what happened in the past on the chart, to see if there is a pattern that is getting repeated that can influence your decision. And every single chart is different from one stock to the other. Thank you so much for watching our video. And again, these stocks is far from the trend line. Therefore, we are not buying more, and we are not selling the one we bought before, because the price level is lower than what we pay for it. It is negative, and we are not going to lock that loss in. We thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for all your comments. And we thank you very much all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in sub.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money, is one stream of income. Just as small, one share at a time, or $300 per trade, or $100 per trade, as low as your brokerage firm allows you to open an account with, and enough to buy one share of stocks from your watch list is good enough of capital to start swing trading. And once you master the strategy you are using and curate your watch list to be stocks that you can analyze within 1 hour every day, and that react well with the strategy you are using, you just know that from that point on, to scale your profit, you just have to buy more share per trade. And with the profit you are accumulating, one trade at a time, and more money from your paycheck you are putting in the account, you'll be able to start scaling your investments from there, little by little. Thank you. If you are looking for tips on how to create your own watch list, will you please check the playlist in the description related to watch lists, how to create your own watch list. And we have some videos that we are publishing related to some particular playlists. just to give you some ideas on how you can pick those stocks, but is related to upward swing trading strategy or uptrend line swing trading strategy. Thank you.